Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I hope everyone is doing well. I have an InLoveArtShop project share to show you guys in this video using their beautiful dies. For those that may have seen some of their dies and you wanted to purchase them, and you wanted to know what size they look like or what kind of projects you can do, I have a couple of projects here to share with you, and also just to give you an idea of what they look like as well. And also down below this video, if you do like some of the dies that I'm showing you and you would like to purchase them, click on that product link down below, and then you can also use my discount coupon code on their online store as well. So that's another great incentive for you guys to have a discount. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and share with you the dies. And their dies, again, I do love them. I do like making projects out of them. They're very great quality. They do run through your die cutting machine really well as well. So there are a couple of dies here that I didn't make any projects with, but I'll show you those ones first. So these are, actually this is the one I haven't used yet. As you can still, it's still packaged. And I would... I believe that when you run this through your cutting machine, it will cut out the inside detail, which will then leave like an opening which you could use as a shaker, or you can use as like a window and place this on a card. And these look like a vine, like a wreath with vines, and I think this is great. I will do a project with this one when I get the chance, but that's one of them that I've received. I also got this one here, and I think this is another great die. I didn't do a project, but I did run it through the machine to show you what it looks like. So this is the cutout piece, and then again you can use this as a shaker. You can place this on a card, and then they punch out these hexagon shapes. Let me see. I don't have them all in with me, but these are just some of the ones that I managed to grab hold of. So then when you run it through, these will punch these shapes out, so then you can also use these on other projects as well, and then you can use this as well. So that's another great die, because you get to, I guess you get two types of die shapes to work with, and that's this one here. So I'll place that there. I like this one here as well. This is another little cute favorite one that I like. It's like a heart-shaped die with a scalloped edge around it, or like a flower petal shape. You get these two pieces in the order. So when you run this through your cutting machine, let me see, it will cut these, when you cut it through, so you cut that one through, it will cut out like that. Then this one will pop out and you'll get this heart shape, and this piece here with the opening. So these are the two pieces that you will receive, and then you can also use this as a shaker. You also then get this separate heart die as well, which will also punch out, oh not punch out, but it will give you this heart shaped die. So you'll get two heart shapes and this one, and I think that's another great die, because you sort of get three shapes out of the two dies. And I did do a project with that, and I just did some simple embellishing. So these are the two that I've made here. So I just punched out a circle shape using my punch, and then this part here is this one here, and the heart that I've got in here is this heart shape, and then I just ran the heart shape through my embossing folder. Then the heart that was punched out of this shape, I'll place that on another project, which I'll show you in a minute. So I did the same with this one. So I made two, but there's so many ways you could use this die, but this is just the projects that I've made. So what have we got next? This one here, I love this one. This is like a wreath die. You get two pieces in the set. I love this one here, and this is just another lovely one as well. Great size, as you can see on my hand. Sorry about my band-aid, I cut myself. So I'll try not to show it too much in the video. But I did a project with these two as well. I do love this one here. It's my favourite. But I'll show you my project. I just done an embellishment here. So that's the wreath, which is this one. Then I layered this piece on the top, which I've cut a couple here. So this is how they look like when you cut it out. And then I just laid I just sort of laid this one on the top like that. I glued it on top, then place it on another die, which is this one, which is also from their store as well. And I'll put the link to this die down below for you if you're interested. And then on the back here is this heart, which is the heart that popped out of this shape. So I'll place that heart shape over here. So you can still use them on other projects. So that's this one. And one of the cute other ones that I also received was the heart, not the heart, it's like a ice cream or a sundae die set. You get 4 pieces. Let me just put these out of the way so you're not getting confused. So these are the 4 pieces. And you just sort of layer them and assemble it to create like a sundae or a cupcake. And I've made a couple. So this is one that I've made, and this is the other one. There is also another piece that comes with it that I didn't use in this project, which is this piece here, which I'll just show you. So that's the piece which you place on top of your cupcake holder. So that's just another option if you wanted to use it. But this piece is the bottom. Then you have another piece here, which is this top one. Then you've got this piece here. So I might just assemble this one just to show you how to do it. So I'll put them there. And I will use this piece here just so you can see how it looks like. So this is your cupcake base. And I'm just going to glue it on. So what I'd normally do is I'll just apply a little bit of glue just to the top of the cupcake base, just like that. I grabbed the larger piece, and then I just sort of sit that on the top to wherever you like it. So I'm just going to stick my, oh sorry, actually before I put that on, I'm going to put this piece on first, so that way you can see how it looks like with this piece on. So I think you can just place that in the middle there, just to give it a bit more decoration to your cupcake base. So that just sits there, and then I'll just apply a little bit more glue to here. Then you can place the topping bit on the top, just like that. You then have this little swirly piece that would just sit on the top of the larger piece. Again, you don't have to use this part if you don't want to use this. This is just another extra addition. If you wanted to, you can leave it just like that, or you can add another piece just to give it more fun to your project. And I just sit that like that. It sort of gives you that, the cream that sort of falls on top of the ice cream as like a topper. So that's how you make the ice cream sundae. I like this one, and these are great. You can use these as toppers on your cupcakes. Add these to birthday cards for birthday celebrations. So that's just these are just some of the dies that I received from InLoveArtShop. Again, I'll put all the details down below. I do hope you enjoyed the project share that I've showed you in this video, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.